There's my dog, Zeke. He's going to start watching us. We're going to do sweet stuff.
Right.
I'm Jack. That's Forrest. And we're going to do sweet stuff with the basketball. And there's our hoop. And I'm going to give it over to Forrest, and he's going to take it over from here.
All right, Jack Baker. You are the maker of the moves. All right, let's see what you got, boy. Nice. There goes the ball.
Here we go.
Here he goes.
The put back. Come on, Jack. What's this?
Total crash and burn there, dude.
Here we go.
Total crash and burn.
Under pressure on the camera.
There's one.
Reverse layup.
Nice.
Alright, now what do you want me to do?
Just do something cool.
Do a long shot.
Alright, let's go, boy.
See if I can make it.
Alright, hold on, wait a second, Jack Baker, the maker. Oh, in and out. You saw that ball went right in and out, and that was just crap.
Long shot. Take two.
Oh, in and out. There we go, there's a good three. Here goes the shot. Oh, total air ball.
I meant to miss it.
Okay.
Alright, now the no-touch putback. Here we go.
No touch putback, people.
Look at this! Now the backboard no-touch ground. Putback.
Oh, that was something there.
Now spin around reverse.
Nice. And he's just sucking. Really suck.
What should I do? What should I do?
Alright, how about it's my turn now?
Alright, let me try one more shot. Pick my...
Alright, one more. We want to see one really sick up in the air combo move.
I'll show you some up in the air. Okay, see, these are my techniques.
Watch this, you guys. This is going to be the next America's Funniest Home Videos. Next, America's Funniest Home Videos in the making.
Get out of my way, pump jump, Jack Baker, #1. Woo!
Yeah, that looked like that hurt.
Yo, yo, yo!
Alright, how'd you watch it?